The ma Ejura Dumase Bawah Braimah ono and the member of parliament. It's just about 7 minutes past 7. I Akoma 87.9 FM. You are live on Osekrum TV and other affiliate station. Midin the Duanaba Kofi Asantinin. Chief, my memoir channel pay. Na bibi aboko de. Nyame adom. For several press conference upon press conference concerns Mbruno Eduduano Edra. Mibisa, one of your youth leaders say those who are supposed to cry more should be the police. They've lost one of their team members. Why are we crying more than the bereaved? Ejura, when are we a member of parliament? How is the situation?
Yeah, the kind of manfa and Chiasunku Emma Winnie was here for now. Me Enfa ya concern so Emma the Ghana Police 87.9 Kumasi. Enfa ya concern so Emma the Ghana Police Service. Me to any union offer no kwan nebusia for na me ka say the CEO no say the kwan union efas you know enye kwan ya e think offer so na enya aba nti you say you know ya concern them nebusia for na say union posina we no nyankopon try nti na didika no say so Kenya 87.9 mabuna wo Ejura any Ejura for no bia asori ekasa passa se we hono a so me eyesi krobia so tiwa usubai any woni ya wodi tikromo ene so be ba se biba obi HPP no bi ho adanse e be se opanya na se papa no aba be di Ejura mu a young man or you be or born from the Wanankasa Ayan Wajuma with so it's a serious commercial farmer with 1 year money Nebusapo TPO and they're talking to the say 87.9 Kumasi. Dear the Ejura now police coming here extra hand there which you follow him or Bawah among or no big so Ebua Emma said nyoma bia ensem fata bia no na say kronsen bia sorry a we e ka mo amoni o kra e nante e ko community sure say that kronsen do be this street aho bia ho na yemi ala you have no officer check ko sa faina sa incident e si ho no e be si so be sa kwa e ti se BBC kwa e so kan bia ho a woni a police for ni na bi kaso wo ko se BBC ko ma ma ko ni ato. It is that the 9th of October is the way by let's just say okay quite pass by you know police for now more say almost say yes move bend the be and but yeah I think see move bend the be me and I quite so I am hajo say oko sabi na say wono what way opinion the police as that you grow na ya to class and when you distress call say akonfobi abisi kwa no enti em say wo mo akonya ba kwa ko bi adu ho a nkofo ejina na ewo min dimbe si wono wo ntem ma sa call e na you have to say akonfo si kwa no won so tie o tie asem wan fa ana o frɛ eye the municipal commander e bon na manie any commander idi incommodar ade chokai o kan say am a friend ebo na manie na so dey just unfortunately abasa because I like you have obi a very brave and CBN here obo wo mo na oni omu nyina adwuma se ne be bitia boa ama bambo hu se be timi awie ko ewo ye monti no enti ase wo le tie no o se emrate na suppose for no buy na omu se police atade and two omu kra police car a private car and because she can so as a shoe a bad sarwa almost almost they say almost so usually anything give it idea BSC almost fast to say a baby to ama that a great gather or more said a baby can be in a quine as I call Buku or go to a boom such as a car private car issue or quine 50 or yes so best your worker ojejina hɔ no wɔn ho hwee wɔn ho nipa bi aso wɔn tena moto so a wɔn kɔ no a deɛ bɛyɛ sɛ etu akasa ama aka ne nan wɔtɔ fam aka akora na wɔn ti moto no so no ɛkyɛ sɛ wɔn nso sɛ bi wɔkɔ no wɔn fa ne nsa kwan ɛna kɔ nkuratuo nti deɛ kɔba yɛ sɛ ɔwɔ sɛ ɔda fam na so deɛ ɔhu sɛ nipa bi nso ɛɛba ne so sɛbi defense ɛkyɛ sɛ sɛ wokura kodeɛ na sɛ wohu sɛ obi ɛpɛ sɛ obi owu na nipa no sɛ ɔba no wotimu sɛ ɔnyɛ polisi biribi ɛwɔ ɛkyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ polisi a sɛbi ɔbɛbɔ ɔbo ban self defense out of self defense no ɛna kɔba sɛ yɛn nua polisi no ɛtumi ɛfiri mu ɛyɛ ma saa asɛwu ɛba eti yɛyɛ kan sɛ yɛn nua alayu ha ɛne yɛn nua salisu na ɔmo akyi no ɔmo nyinaa obie ni wɔyɛ kurɔfoɔ I can attest to that obie ni hɔ a wɔyɛ kurɔfoɔ na mmom asɛm na ɛbaeɛ ma ewu kopim is very 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 unfortunate ɛbɛfa saa akɔnya wei so na yɛaka kyerɛ Ejura police panyin ɛyɛ IGP sɛ saa unit no anaasɛ PID no ɔmo dwumadie no ɔmo hwɛ na ɔmo nyɛ mu nsakrae kakra sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a sɛ ɔmo kɔ operation bi a you have a semblance of police ɔwɔ ɔmo ho sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ obi ehu na obi ehu police nso obi police ataadeɛ obi police krawa obetumi ayɛ embolden sɛ wɔne police ni ebetumi ebi afei so na etumi enya they should get a semblance of police tem bi ɔmo dwumadie bi ano na ɔmo dwumadie ɔmo sakram kakra na nyɛ saa tem bi ano ɔmo kɔ dwumadie a obi bɛ mistake wɔn for armed robbery ansɛ armed robbers etumi akɔfa sa bisɛ de bɛyɛ a saa nsɛmmɔni wo yɛ esie no ebi increase bi mu etumi akyerɛ sɛ police fo ɛyɛ anaasɛ aban yɛnhwɛ ɛyɛnsi adwumakuo bi na yɛnhwɛ mu yie sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ebitumi aboa ama sɛbe sɛ ɛkyerɛ obi ɛsɔre sɛ wɔko agye ne man a sɛbe n'abɛmu emu na obitumi anya kutubie wɔsi ako ɛde agye ne man.
So does it mean you are calling for an enquiry into the SCA ana?
It's been an enquiry, independent enquiry. Any bias that Kababua, Amaya, unravel the situation, the issues. A quite best for a price swap. Almost buy the fast outside the swap. Or more use a service vehicle. I'm going to private car and license car on that route. Because it's outskirts of town, go leading to that community now. First, what's the circumstances led to that? And why is it that they did not even involve the local police? The local police requirement, our checks were not even aware of their presence there. It is a new to see someone. Now, a financial plan, prone to armed robbery. Every market day, any public requires to pay as a result of armed robbery activities. And this is a obi exercise no, let's sorry, let's call, let's say, Nipana, Ujina, does not have any semblance of police. In fact, and Nepal let me up to you about a Nepal no semblance of police, but almost what you will say, I'm robbing or attack you. Or about the charity of it's highly unfortunate, but it's young required the password. This thing does not occur again. Now, you require the password. So the Omo Mwaka would decide that we will know. You be you more free because. So
I want to get this clear. I mean, as a member of parliament, Mr. Braimah, we need the packetwa. Have you been able to say when the IGP were calling for meeting, the regional police command, on what matters more their side of the story beyond what these two individuals catch we?
I have spoken with the local police. I've spoken with the national police. I mean, currently in Accra, I'm arranging a meeting with the IGP. Now, my man who the ECOC and now require the password. You between a CCS and we say, and Yabana say, Yeshe will be free a crowd more. Yana, a one some carol, a do baby, Yana, your person, a be a seven, the only year, a boy, I some way. A quite almost fast from Coquason and pay it. Yanagusha, Yano eating in Savoso, and see, I'm currently no Accra, and me too, and upon an animal, not many me share IGP no na ye hu kwa be faso a betimi amaye atoye
a detention abedra that's idea see
tension the tension about because Allah you have and nipa na ya chiwo mu ne caliber and the kwanya of faso eboa ne ato hu acha wo de akwa yes adwuma yi na akọfa se ne ho aba be di adwam no ama the tension but we have been able to quell it down media abasbo ye kese be ma ye na Ejura hin na be ma o se hwede a o to sumi no eni empenyufo a we Ejura nyina itimi afrem magu ende wo makasa se Ejura din ya kodi boni eti emomo de se that's why we never had due process. We have bia emma let me aboa amasebe yetimi etimi unravel the situations ni na mo bi agu na yedua na ho akọka agam no obetimi afrimu.
So because of kaka there na yema reference to idea na wo here to contain the situation. Yeah, we say they are still in police custody. Meboa.
They are still in police custody at the regional Asante North Regional Police Command, and we have. That's what I'm saying. Say, I was not around, but in consultation with another Grahini, the various youth, the family, any more exercise. Say, Ubia Momodi say, Ebema, say, young Fasasi, we so Emma, but for HBNC, young lady who you see Kakadiano. After Kaketi, Nippon, you know, it's actually a woman. I've been a prayer and they make us say, be them permanently. 777, which be any and farm man who it's young persons are assembly basing. So it's in the Abu Modi say about Quail, Sari, and Nama will be a atonium. And don't see imagine one of the ways I obey video any family, one of the ways of which I'm making case clear and say, Ombe press conference. May I be the issue there? Sadia and the can watch me. And Sadia can acquire a creative platform. Which we have one more BHP. I can't the boss to them. I who say, as some like on and just a Naya Column authority say, Ombe review in some Naya Buama ye at a ye. Send a bear in the direct occurrence of the CA after Kaka Ewono.
Okay. I see, but me worry as a more concern has been on this two gentlemen. Police if one
they are three.
They are three. Yes, but you have a policeman also dead in this shooting. What kind of police statement normally by no? These men were carrying about 4 different guns. Obi aya from some intervening what armed robbery case. Why all that guns? According to the police statement.
Media say, the police statement is full of inaccuracies, and I don't want to use a strong word, for, but the statement is full of inaccuracies. In the first place, police are saying, say, police an imminent robbery on a Mumu vendor. But the place now, maybe I'm simply seeing on that route, there's nobody who's in on that route. No, that route is a route leading to a community called Ejura. 2, so in the first place, it is not a here no there because Ujim Kokweli, Obi Awoye armed robbery, Obi Awoye Mumu, a classic question. And then 2, Omuka say Nipa Biru and the actual one is on the run, which is totally false. Obi Awoye on the run. There were 3. The 3 of them, no, they themselves walked to the police station. No police came to arrest them. They themselves walked to the police station. All the 3 are in custody now. So why do you say 2? So the police statement is full of inaccuracies. And then 3, Obi say Obi what is armed robbery? Armed robber Sabi. Young fire is a pine and confront armed robber. What was a pack of confront armed robber there? Send an out to what you say. And you see, the weapon that you have was carrying is a weapon. A year or one their license. He uses the weapon sometimes when the police call on him to assist and moves with them assist in patrolling that route. And the police, if they are candid enough, so they'll come out to say, and how you have been assisting them on that road to quell armed robbery, and you have been using a safe weapon. And not the BBS in the Soviet can want them. Swat as there, and it's me, and you say, weapon, a licensed weapon. One can say a Drew baby that's in CBC or what. He assists with his weapon, he assists with his vehicle.
Akoma FM 87.
Abisafo, your name Mohammed Braimah Bawah, a member of parliament at the Ejura, and I aiding in this issue.